My name is Stephanie Moore. This is our farm at New Grove, Alonzo Road. This was a third generation farm. My parents farmed it and my mom's dad farmed it as well. Me and my husband's been tending this land about 12 years, I think.
I'm Holly Strickland and I'm Stephanie Moore's cousin.
I'm Gracie Moore and I'm Stephanie Moore's daughter. Most of the time all the siblings were all out here together. Sometimes every once in a while we'll have a friend over and they'll usually help.
We grow everything from lettuces and a lot of greens, a lot of Asian greens, kohlrabi, mizuna, a lot of spring greens, and then we go into your summer vegetables like your squash, tomatoes, cantaloupe, watermelon. We have kale, collards, sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, a lot of root crops as well.